Hi, folks, and welcome back to Physics with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to help you out with, I believe this is, whatever number this is on your homework. I think it's number 19. So this system, oops, get my pen up and running. The system starts in this configuration right here, and it's allowed to accelerate. So mass 2 accelerates this way, mass 1 accelerates this way, until it's in this configuration. And this can be attacked with the work energy theorem. So if we call this position 1 and this position 2, keeping in mind that this object's going to be moving this way, this object's going to be moving this way, and this in theory is right before this hits the floor. And we write out the work energy theorem, PE1 plus KE1 plus work equals PE2 plus KE2. And we go through it term by term. All right, position 1, both these objects are at our datum. So that makes the entire PE1 term 0. KE1, if the system starts from rest, then the KE1 is 0. The work term is 0, and I'll come back and explain why here in a few minutes. Okay, PE2, so now we're looking over here. Mass 1 has a potential energy equal to M1GH, and that potential energy is positive because mass 1 is above our datum. Mass 2 has a potential energy of minus M2GH, and this one is negative because mass 2 is a distance h below the datum. And both of these objects have a kinetic energy, so 1/2 M1 v squared plus 1/2 mass 2 times v squared. Now, the reason the work term is 0, the gravitational force is doing work on this when this happens, but that's what these terms take into account. The tension in this rope is upward. The tension over here also upward. And when this object moves up, that tension does positive work. When this object moves down, the tension does negative work. And the net work done by the tension is therefore 0. And there's no other forces to worry about in this problem. So that's why the work term is 0. So now, the only thing left to do is take note that these speeds are the same. So if you put in all the numerical values here, these two things on the right can be added together. These are like terms. So this will look like now a number times v squared. And put everything else on the left so that you have a number equals a number times v squared, and you'll be able to find v out of that. So that's probably enough to get this problem working for you. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.